How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to talk about the Strike folder systems, right? The Strike FSA robust folding adapter, and and compare the two, right? So there are the dual folder, and then there's the single folder. And I just want to talk about the differences and what I like about each of them, and which one I would pick overall if I had to choose just one. Alright, so I got these over at Terran Gear USA, and kind of sucks because the one that I like more is typically the one that's always sold out. So both of these are on the Strike Industries Picatinny adapter for AR lower, but there are a lot of systems out there that do have a Picatinny that this can mount on. So in the context of the AR platform, that's what I'm going to be talking about for these. So if you have any type of bufferless upper or maybe a dedicated 22, these are pretty cool. All right, so let's talk about it. All right, so talk about the dual folder first. The dual folder, it obviously goes in both ways. What I don't like about it from the get-go is that it has some flex, right? There's like a rattling right there. It's got two buttons. If you press the opposite side, it'll fold in whichever direction, right? So this would be going to the left side, and yeah, it locks in place. And to unlock it, you actually have to press the button again. So this is to the right side of the receiver. If you have a forward assist, it will bump that forward assist, and it will not work. Alright, so just understand that from the get-go. If you have an upper with a forward assist, this is probably not going to be the way to go, like a dedicated 22 upper. Alright, so to unlock it, you would press this button, and then it rotates back around. This is like, there's a little gate right there that you have to get that nub over for it to unlock. Alright, setting it to the other side. This is probably the side that you would use if you had it on an AR. And you can kind of already see like there's like a bunch of wear right there where it locks in place. Right, these little corners lock in place. All right, so unlocking, kind of cool. If you have a slick upper, it would work good, like a slick upper 22, and you want to throw one of these on there, and just something so you can fold it up and put it in a bag a little bit easier, or put it into a smaller bag instead of a big rifle bag. Pretty nice, right? I think it would be better than to separate the upper from the lower. All right, so let's talk about the single folder. All right, so the single folder I think is better and superior. All right, so why do I say that? There's no buttons to push. It operates a lot like the SIG MPX OEM side folder, where it has this little post here, and if you see, like, it kind of moves up and down on that post to unlock, and it's nice and solid. So when it's locked into place, it is not moving at all. So you can push down on the receiver, or you can push down on the pin to unlock it and rotate it, and then it will drop in this channel here, and it'll lock in place. Right, awesome. When you want to deploy it rapidly, you can just pull it out. That's it. You don't have to push any buttons. It's got a little ramp right here. The dual folder has that same ramp, but it's kind of useless. Right? So I really like this setup. I think it's just, if you're actually going to be using this as like a PDW, you got your 1-point bungee, and you want to get the brace out or a stock, and just pop it out. It's ready to go. Right, so this is the one that I think is the winner of the two. They do cost the same, but this one seems to always be sold out everywhere. Right, so it makes sense to me because it's the better of the two. Right. As you can see with this one, I definitely have issues with it. You can see the little post right there. It's getting kind of chewed up. When I fold it to the right side of the receiver and I try to unlock it, it gets stuck sometimes. Right. So it's kind of cool if depending on the storage solution or the storage way you have it, It can lay down flatter in this manner, which is kind of cool. But again, if you have a Ford Assist, it's not gonna work out for you, right? And then right now it's getting stuck here and there. I might have to lube up some stuff here just to make it work a little bit better. But you can already see it's getting kind of chewed up right there on these little posts. So yeah, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about, hey, the single folder is sold out everywhere, but the dual folder is available, should I just go for the dual folder? It costs the same. I would wait. All right, I would wait and try to get the single folder, because it's just a way better setup. All right, so I got these at Tearing Gear USA, and that's where I recommend you guys to go. Let's support our local shops.